Welcome to Free Coding Academy's videos for Python. This is part 7, modules. So first up, what is a module? So a module refers to Python code written in a .py file. So modules contain functions for a specific purpose. Modules can be imported and used within your Python programs. You can also create modules for yourself and others to use. To import Python modules, include the following statement at the top of your program. Import and then module name. So here's an example that we've already seen before. Import math. To call functions from an imported module, do the following. So you're going to include the call module name dot the function name and then input any parameters inside the parentheses. So here's an example. We have math.square-root-25. So here, the name of the module we imported is called math, and the function inside the math module which we are calling is called square root, and then the parameter that we're inputting is 25. So this call is going to return the square root of 25. Next, importing functions from modules. After importing the entire module, you can import specific functions from a module using the from keyword. So here's an example. So we have import math, which imports the math module, and then we're saying from math import square root, comma pow. So we are telling Python to import the square root and pow functions from the math module. When functions are imported like this, you can call the function directly rather than using the module name and the function name like before. So here's an example. Since we used the from keyword, we can make this call, num is equal to square root 25. So instead, if we didn't include the from keyword and we didn't include the statement, then this would have to be rewritten as num is equal to math.square root 25. But because we have the statement right here, we can directly write num is equal to square root of 25. If an imported function and a locally defined function have the same name, the local function or most recently defined function is used instead. Next up, unintended code inside modules. So code inside a module which is not part of a function may be executed when that module is imported, even though that is not intended. So to prevent this, add this line before any code which is not defined inside a function in your module and could be run when importing the module. So this is what you're supposed to include: if and then 2 underscores, name, and then 2 underscores equals equals, and then inside a set of double quotes, 2 underscores on either side, and main in the center. This will evaluate to true when the module is run as a program, and false when the module is imported. Next up, inbuilt modules. So Python has numerous built-in modules you can import, and these are some useful ones. So first up, we have the calendar module, and this contains functions related to calendars. Next, we have the date-time module, and this contains functions related to date and time. Next, we have the math module, which we already discussed before, and this contains math functions and constants, such as pi. Next, we have the random module, and this comes up with random numbers, and the reason I put that inside double quotes is because they're not technically random, they're called pseudo-random, so it's like they appear to be random, but they're not really. Next, we have the statistics module, and this contains statistics functions. Finally, we have the sys module, and this contains parameters and functions related to systems. It is obviously not limited to just these modules, but these are just some of the most useful ones. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and please be sure to watch part 8 next.